Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Makita Weed Wacker 18v is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your lawn care arsenal, offering cordless freedom without compromising on the performance needed to tackle even the toughest overgrowth, making yard work less of a chore and more of a satisfying accomplishment. Number 5. Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Gas Weed Wacker. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Weed Wacker, your ultimate outdoor power tool. Experience unmatched versatility and power for all your yard work needs. This powerful machine is a 3-in-1 solution, easily switching between a 17-inch string trimmer edger and a 10-inch brush cutter. Tackle any task with just one tool. It features a robust 26 cubic centimeters full crank, 2-cycle gas engine designed for durability and performance. This ensures a longer lifespan and efficient fuel consumption. Get started in just a few pulls with its easy start system. The ergonomic rubber handle and included shoulder strap provide comfort during extended use. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the tool-free access to the air filter. This allows for quick assembly, maintenance, and operation, keeping you working without interruption. It seamlessly connects with other Wild Badger power attachments, allowing you to expand its functionality. Save money and space by converting it into different tools as needed. What we like. This gas-powered trimmer offers incredible versatility with its 3-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for a powerful and adaptable tool for a variety of yard tasks, this is your best bet. Its robust engine and easy start system make tackling tough jobs a breeze. What people say. The unit is fairly quiet for a gas string trimmer, easy to load trimmer line, doesn't leave your hands numb from vibration, it's really easy to start, reasonably powerful, and pretty inexpensive to buy. The circular saw blades work good, but with those the fewer teeth the better, and buy a heavy or thick one. The kind I used are a bit flimsy since the first collision with an unseen obstacle warped it beyond any quick fix I could make. It cuts amazingly on the flat though. It's definitely not a professional trimmer, but it held its own, at least at first anyways. Number 4. Makita XRU23Z 18V LXT Cordless String Trimmer. Tired of gas-powered hassles? This cordless trimmer offers a cleaner, quieter, and low-maintenance solution for your yard. Say goodbye to pull starts and oil mixing. Experience efficient trimming with its advanced brushless motor, delivering impressive speed for a clean cut every time. It's designed for optimal power and performance. Get up to an hour of continuous use with a compatible battery. This means you can tackle your entire yard without interruption. Easily manage power and run time with the simple high-low button. Plus, the variable speed trigger gives you precise control over cutting speed for different tasks. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less of a chore. Benefit from reduced maintenance needs and significantly lower noise levels compared to gas trimmers. Enjoy a more peaceful yard care experience. What we like. Experience the freedom of cordless operation with this brushless trimmer. If you value quiet operation, low maintenance, and precise control over cutting speed, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for users who want a clean and efficient trimming experience without the hassle of gas. What people say. The unit is lighter weight, good metal construction, bolted, smaller guard, easier storage, typical well-constructed active head. Power is nearly the same as corded using 2 lights and will cut most as such. Unit will trim grass just fine with power given with 1 light selected. Battery efficiency is excellent. This tool is very light, making it easy to use for extended periods. And the 3 amp-hour battery is enough to do my entire yard. It's light, relatively quiet, and has plenty of power for the lighter gauge string. The auto shut-off feature has been corrected and mine stays on at least long enough to walk from tree to tree. Number 3. Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Multi-Tool. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Multi-Tool. This versatile device is designed to handle all your yard work needs with ease. It seamlessly transforms between a string trimmer edger, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and brush cutter. Tackle any task with just one tool. Designed for comfort, its lightweight build significantly reduces strain during extended use. You can work for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Equipped with two 20V 4Ah batteries, it delivers robust power for demanding jobs. Experience strong, reliable performance every time. Assembly and switching between attachments are incredibly simple. You can change tools in mere seconds, saving you valuable time. Its optimized internal structure minimizes vibration, ensuring a comfortable operating experience. Stay comfortable and avoid fatigue, even during long work sessions. What we like. This multi-tool kit redefines convenience with its 4-in-1 capabilities and lightweight design. If you need a single tool that can handle trimming, edging, pole sawing, and hedge trimming, this is it. Its ergonomic build ensures comfort during extended use, making yard work less of a chore. What people say. Well balanced to decrease hand-arm fatigue, powerful weed trimmer able to slash through 8 to 10 inch tall grass weeds. The greatest advantage is the modular design, where you are able to switch out the attachments quickly and save space in storage, since it is not one long trimmer or pole saw, etc. The power and cutting is not in question, just its ease of use for someone my size. Number 2. Makita 18v LXT Cordless String Trimmer Kit. Experience the convenience of a powerful string trimmer without the drawbacks of gas. Enjoy reduced maintenance and quieter operation for a more pleasant yard work experience. Its advanced brushless motor provides efficient power, reaching up to 6,000 revolutions per minute for quick and effective trimming. This means you get more done in less time. Get up to an hour of continuous use on a single charge with the included 4.0Ah battery. This allows you to tackle your entire yard without interruption. Easily switch between high power for tough jobs and low for extended run time with the simple high-low button. You control the balance to suit your needs. Achieve the perfect cut every time thanks to the variable speed trigger. It gives you precise control over the cutting speed for a clean and accurate finish. Say goodbye to cords and gas cans. This tool offers the ultimate freedom to move around your yard without limitations, making yard work easier than ever. What we like. Get started right away with this complete kit that includes a battery and charger. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful cordless trimmer with the convenience of variable speed control, this is an excellent option. It offers a great balance of performance and ease of use for everyday yard maintenance. What people say. Cuts weeds as fast as a gas whacker. The Makita is especially lightweight but with ample power and duration. The included 4.0Ah battery was at 50% after 40 minutes trimming my 1-acre residential property. Well balanced with battery installed. Did my complete yard with the 4Ah included battery and still had 50% left. Lightweight and easy to handle. Worked very well for weed eating and edging. Number 1. Makita 18v LXT Brushless Cordless 2PC Combo Kit. Introducing the Makita 18v LXT Brushless Cordless 2PC Combo Kit. Experience the power of its BL brushless motor, delivering exceptional performance for any task. The included blower boasts an impressive 459 cfm of air volume and 116 miles per hour air velocity. Manage power and runtime effortlessly with its cruise control lever and variable speed trigger. Its inline fan design ensures better tool balance and improved ergonomics. You can work comfortably for extended periods without fatigue. The string trimmer, also featuring a BL brushless motor, achieves up to 6,000 revolutions per minute. Easily switch between high and low settings for optimal power management. This two-piece combo kit provides the ultimate cordless solution for your needs. Tackle any job with confidence and efficiency. What we like. This combo kit offers exceptional value by including both a powerful blower and a string trimmer. If you're looking to tackle multiple outdoor tasks efficiently, this set is perfect. The brushless motors in both tools ensure durability and high performance, making it a smart investment for any homeowner. What people say. The Makita Weed Wacker 18v is a powerful tool that can handle tough weeds and grass with ease. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting for a good amount of time on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.